Are you wondering why I am not able to like videos on TikTok? Then you are at the right place to diagnose your issue instantly. Without further ado, let's get started. So, in the first place, you need to assert that you have a very stable internet connection. A stable internet connection is necessary for TikTok to function properly. Without a stable connection, you might not be able to like videos or perform other action on the app. Make sure that you are connected to a Wi-Fi network or that you have a very strong mobile data connections. You can also try restarting your router or turning on and off airplane mode on your device to refresh your connection. Once you follow up the first step and you are still dealing with the problem, the next thing you can try is updating the TikTok app to the latest version. Yeah, updating to the latest version of TikTok can also fix many bugs and glitches that may be causing issue with the app. To do this, you need to open up the Play Store on the phone and search TikTok on the search bar. Once you've done that, you need to update the app from there. And same thing apply to iOS or any other mobile version. Another thing you can do to fix this issue is that you need to confirm that you are not reach your daily like limit. Actually, TikTok has a limit on the number of like that you can give per day. If you have reached your limit, then you will not able to like any more video until the next day. Check your account settings to see if you have reached your like limit or not. If you have reached the like limit, then you need to wait for some days to fix the issue itself. Hopefully this video help you out. If yes, then please let me know in the comment section. Hopefully this video help you out. If yes, then please let me know in the comment section. Hopefully this video help you to fix your issue. Make sure you subscribe our channel so that you could enjoy the trustworthy and well researched video on tech related issue. Have a great day guys. Bye bye.